Good evening. I am Riddhima Raut. Welcome to the Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: France on edge as nationwide strikes intensify against budget cuts. Global defense shift. Saudi Arabia and Pakistan sign patch. EU plans 19 sanctions package on Russia. PepsiCo CEO meets PM Modi, expansion plans in agriculture and youth employment discussed optimism. High level committees orders ministries to prepare 5-year action plan under Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. Indian stock market branded the world worst performers in 2025 so far. Maruti Suzuki hits 52-week high but trails behind rivals in auto sector. Asia Cup 2025 high voltage India versus Pakistan clash scheduled for 21 September. India unveils culturally rich medals for New Delhi 2025 World Para Athletics Championship. Now, news in brief. France witnesses massive protests and strikes across major cities, and citizens took the streets against the government austerity measures and budget cuts. School remained shut, public transport was paralyzed, and pharmacies across the country observed closure. The unrest turned violent in some areas, leading to clashes between demonstrators and police. Authorities confirmed the arrest of at least 141 people. Experts says these strikes could seriously impact France's economy, stability, and weaken public support for the Macron administration. In a major geopolitical move, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia signed a landmark defense patch, agreeing to treat any attack on one nation as an attack on both. This signals a shift in security alignments in West Asia. Meanwhile, the European Union is preparing its 19th round of sanctions against Russia in response to the ongoing war in Ukraine. Italy, on the other hand, became the first EU nation to enact comprehensive AI regulations, while Israel's military operation in Gaza have intensified worsening humanitarian conditions. PepsiCo Global CEO, during his India visit, held high level talk with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss major investment and expansion strategies. The multinational plans to strengthen its footprint in India, not just in beverages and snacks, but also in agriculture partnerships, farmer support, and youth employment initiatives. This move is being seen as part of PepsiCo long term commitments to India's fast growing consumer market. A high level committee led by former Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba has asked all ministries to submit their institutional and regulatory reforms goal along with detailed 5-year action plans and timelines. This is part of India's long term goals to become a developed nation by the centenary and its independence in 2047. Despite a recent bounce, India's stock market has been ranked among the worst performing market globally in 2025. The Sensex and Nifty has lagged behind other indices due to high valuation, slower earning growth. The ongoing political uncertainties, experts says that while foreign investors are cautious, structural reforms and policies stability could help India stage a strong comeback in the coming quarters. Maruti Suzuki stocks touch a new 52 weeks high, reflecting investor confidence in India's largest car makers. However, compared to its competitor like Ashok Leyland and Eicher Motors, Maruti's return have been relatively modest. Analyst attributes this to the company's slow push into electric vehicles and high reliance on entry level models. Industry watchers suggest that Maruti needs to accelerate innovation to stay ahead in the evolving auto landscape. Cricket fans are gearing up for another India versus Pakistan showdown as the two rivals face off in the Super 4 stages of Asia Cup 2025 in Dubai on 21 September. The high stakes encounter comes just week before the ICC Championships trophy, adding more excitement. India enters the stage as the top team from Group A, while Pakistan qualifies as runner up. Security ticket sales and broadcasting right have already made headlines with record viewership expected worldwide. India showcased the official medals for the upcoming World Para Athletics Championship in New Delhi. The medal, which includes braille inscriptions and designs inspired by Indian art and culture, symbolize the inclusivity and representation. With more than 2,200 athletes from 100 plus countries set to participate, this championship is expected to be India's biggest para sports event to date, marking a milestone in accessibility and sports innovation. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.